Hey, I'm Brendan Fitzpatrick and I'm with the agency. We've kind of co-marketed this event and brought Lamborghini and Patron and combined them with our ability to get the best people here to such a great piece of art.
It is not only the unveiling of 1302 Collingwood Place, but it's also the unveiling of the new Lamborghini Huracan.
My name is Mauricio Umansky. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the agency. This is super exciting. So tonight, we're here to have fun. We're here to bring good energy, and that's it.
Hi, I'm Blair Chang. I'm with the agency. My goal for tonight is first to have a successful event, to mingle Lamborghini of Beverly Hills and Ogara Motorcars clients with our own. But at the end of the day, our real goal is to sell the house, to find the best buyer who just really falls in love with it and just wants to call this house their home.
You have such amazing craftsmanship and architecture. The house was a Richard Landry design. He's a published architect and longtime friend of the owner. And they decided to partner up together to, build this masterpiece.
This is a house that's been a man's life project and dream. And Richard Landry, who designed and was the mastermind and architect of this house.
My name is Billy Rose. I'm one of the owners of the agency, and I'm here tonight to enjoy some of the best architecture we have in the city. It sits on a promontory that gives you one of the most commanding views that this city has to offer.
It's going to be a great night. The view is amazing outside, so enjoy that and take it all in.
It's been a privilege seeing this house kind of undergo its collaboration with Richard Landry, kind of the synergy that went together to design such an incredible piece of art. Us at the agency, we're really happy to represent it. We're very used to representing really high-end luxury homes, not only here in Los Angeles, but also globally with our relationship with Savills. We just have such a great reach.